Hey guys, and welcome back to Style by McKen's. Today I'm sitting down to film a makeup tutorial, but not just any makeup tutorial, pretty much just like a first impressions. I did one of these in June after I had been to Ulta and picked up a lot of new goodies, and I decided that I kind of wanted to do the same thing. I wanted to test out my makeup like on camera for the first time. I got a lot of new goodies and I just kind of wanted to try them out on camera to let you guys know what I think right away. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I just did a face mask, so my face is looking like it needs some makeup on it ASAP. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with the Lancome Pure Focus Primer. I have not, this is not new, but I have not used it in a while, and because I'm going to be using a Lancome foundation today, I thought that this would be the perfect primer to use. I've only used it a couple times, so just going to be applying this. I still have like face mask right there. Alright, so then I'm going to be taking the Lancome Teint Idol foundation. I'm not exactly sure if that's how you say it. I got sent this for a collab last month and I've really been loving this foundation. I think that it's super awesome, and I've never really been a high-end foundation kind of girl just because I really don't have problematic skin. I mean, I don't have perfect skin by any means, as you can tell, but yeah, foundation has like never really been something that I felt the need to splurge on. So when I got sent this, I was super excited because I wanted to try a high-end foundation, and I love this. It keeps my skin super matte throughout the day, and it's a really light wear. It's a really light wearing foundation, so I'm just going to take that and blend it in. I have put on foundation. I'm just taking my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Obviously this one is not new. I've used this powder for ages. It's one of my favorites. I'm just taking it on a powder brush and mattifying my face. I'm going to go in with the Teint Idol Ultra Wear concealer, and I have not used this before. This is again another Lancome product that was sent to me, so I'm just going to be using this under my eyes. It looks pretty light. Like I said, I'm not really great at like ordering makeup online. I pretty much always buy face makeup in person, so I feel like picking a shade in person is like kind of tricky, so I'm hoping that this blends out nicely and that it's brightening. So I did get a new Anastasia contour kit for Christmas, and I am going to be using the banana powder. It looks so pretty, guys. Oh my god. I got my first Anastasia contour kit in 8th grade, and I literally have used the heck out of it. Almost like every shade has hit pan on it, so I'm just taking the banana powder now and setting my under eyes. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Real Her blush. Obviously this isn't new. I've used this blush forever. It's one of my favorites, and I'm just going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks. I love this blush. I actually won it in a giveaway, and I never win giveaways, but I happened to win this one, and I seriously love the blush so much in it. Alright, I'm gonna hop in with some eyeshadow next. I'm just using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This isn't new. I swear all the new stuff is coming. I mean, a couple of those face products were new, but not really. And I'm just applying this to my lids. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline Color Tattoo. This is one of my favorite products ever. I literally am always talking about this because if I ever wear eyeshadow, I put this on before the eyeshadow. It just acts as a base, and it's seriously one of my favorite products. Okay, so one of the things that I picked up at Sephora was the Violet Voss palette. This is the Creme Brulee fun-sized one. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It's literally so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go in first with this gold shadow right here. I'm going to take a flat shader brush and some MAC Fix Plus. So right off the bat, I can kind of tell that these eyeshadows are a little bit looser. They are applying really, really nicely, but it's definitely a looser consistency. It's not as like rich and creamy as some eyeshadows, but this is a really beautiful gold. I love a good gold eyeshadow on the lid, so obviously that's what I'm applying now. Okay, so I'm really, really impressed with that shade so far. I'm going to go in just with a crease brush, and I'm going to take this orange right here. It looks matte, but it's got the slightest bit of shimmer in it, so I'm going to take that and blend that into my crease. Wow, that's pigmented. Okay, so that was like kind of intense. I wasn't expecting that much color to come, so I'm switching over to the brush from the Naked Smoky palette because it's a little bit, it's not as dense, and I'm gonna blend that out to make it a little more seamless. Okay, so that eyeshadow blended super, super beautifully. I'm going to take another crease brush, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna try and work it kind of towards the outer V, but a little bit in the crease as well, just because I want a little bit of shimmer. So that all turned out super beautiful. I'm gonna take this shade in the bottom, or in the top right. It's like a deeper brown with just a tad shimmer in it, and I'm gonna use this on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that gold shadow that I applied first, and I'm going to like put a little more of that in my inner corner. Just because I feel like we lost it a little bit, and then this deeper gold, I'm just gonna pat that onto the center of my lid. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm using the Essence brow pencil, which I've been using for a while now. My brows, like always, still really need to be done, but yeah. So I also picked up this Tarte set, and it has their Lights Camera Lashes mascara, a little cream in it, and then a lipstick. I'm going to use the lipstick after, but right now I'm going to apply the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I'm just going to begin by curling my lashes. I was going to apply falsies today, but I'm not shooting any looks, so I don't want to waste a pair of lashes. I'm just going to go ahead and use this mascara. Okay, so overall, this mascara lengthens your lashes so much. It really separates them as well, but I don't feel like it adds tons of volume to them. So I am going to go in and apply another coat of my favorite Maybelline. I actually decided to take the Neutrogena Hydro Boost mascara instead, just because I know that this one will do the trick. So I went ahead and applied some mascara. This is what the eyes look like now. So yeah. Oh my god, has this tag been hanging for me this whole time? This is a new sweater, as you can tell. So I finally picked up a glow kit. I know I'm super late to the game, but I just never really felt like spending the money on one before. I'm going to go ahead. Oh, I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. I'm going to go ahead and take the color Summer. Wow. I'm looking in the viewfinder because my mirror is like at an awkward, it's in an awkward position right now, so it's easier to look in the viewfinder. Can you see it? Okay, so that's a really, really beautiful highlight. I'm going to go in with an eye defining brush, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that under my brow bone as well. for my Cupid's bow. I am totally just now realizing that I forgot to contour, and I always contour before I apply highlighter, but we're going in now. I'm going to take the lightest shade because I'm pretty pale right now from the Anastasia contour kit, and I'm just going to contour lightly. The last new product that I'm going to be using is the Tarte lipstick. This is in the shade Salt Life, and it's a really baby one, so. I really liked the shade of that lipstick from Tarte. It was a really comfortable formula, but I did not like the way it looked with this look. So I'm going in with my tried and true Buxom Full On lipstick in the shade Brooklyn. This lipstick has a very similar formula to it, but it is just an overall warmer toned lipstick, which is exactly what I needed for this look, I think. So I'm going to finish it off with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray. Let that sink in. And yeah, that's going to be it for this makeup look. I didn't talk about the products as much, so let me do a little bit of the rundown. I really, really love the new foundation. I have loved using a high-end foundation, and with the concealer, I think that it's going to be even more awesome. I'm going to see how the concealer wears throughout the day, but right now I really like it. I think that it definitely brightens up the look. As far as the Anastasia contour kit goes, I just needed a new one. I've used it for years and I still love it. We just have a nice subtle contour going right now, and then I use the banana powder, which I adore. I'm super impressed with the glow kit. I think that the highlighter looks really, really pretty on the high points of my face, obviously. And then I went ahead with the new Violet Voss palette, and I love the eyeshadow. I think that it looks super beautiful on. I'm excited to use it some more and play around with some of the other shades, but this is like a very classic me look, gold with a little bit of warmer orange tones in the crease. The Lights Camera Lashes mascara is amazing, definitely lengthens and definitely separates those bad boys. It doesn't darken them as much as I would like, so I did go ahead and layer that mascara. But overall, I'm super impressed with that. Like I said, I did like the lipstick, but just not with this look. So yeah, that's going to be all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, I'm not a beauty guru by any means. This is just me sitting down to do my makeup and share my thoughts with you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, be sure to leave them below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.